Yeah, my name's Geoff Seymour. This is my son Ethan. I've been a police sport volunteer now for 4 years. And the same with Ethan. We were both joined up at the same time, basically.
I wanted to do it, learn more about policing, and I think my father seen that they were recruiting for volunteers, so then I think he decided to go in it that way as well.
I really enjoy now going back into the into South Wales Police, and also he's my right-hand man, so to speak. And he's learning. He's gained a lot of knowledge and experience out of it, which I think he'll take forward in life and hopefully become a good citizen, won't you?
Yeah.
Definitely.
I think it makes a big difference because of the test purchase inside, going into shops trying to purchase alcohol and knives and potentially taking that off the streets. I also think it's a good idea for South Wales Police to have use 14 to 18 in the force, because when we go out in the community we can engage with that sort of year group a bit easier.
My favourite part of the role is actually with the children now, seeing them develop from when they first come to us, not knowing much about anything, and seeing them progress through the years, and the confidence they're building and what they're learning, which they can take forward then, whether they decide to go with joining up as a police officer later on in the day, or just going on for a job. It's something they can carry forward with them, the life skills and knowledge. Like they at the moment, first aid course, etc. It's something that I enjoy to see them learn, and knowing that when they leave us, they've got that extra knowledge and confidence to do basically what they want. Yeah.